by their continuous interactions, by their continuous reactions. From the simple compounds, there is a formation of the complex substances. So the next part of this theory, that is the formation of complex organic compounds or the macromolecules. Macromolecule. The large sized molecules are considered as the macromolecules. In the prebiotic soup, which was oxygen free, my friends, the earth's primitive condition is reducing and not oxidizing, because in that condition the free form of oxygen is not present, so which was the oxygen free and sterile. The simple organic compound, that is the micromolecules, comes together in increasing number, which collide, reacts and aggregate, forming new molecules of greater size and complexity. So there is the formation of the complex organic substances or the macromolecules from the micromolecules. Like from the amino acid, there is the formation of a protein. This is the most important event in the process of organic evolution or in the process of origin of life, because we know that protein is a basic building block of our body. No any animal or living organism survive without protein. We know that in our each and every tissue there is the presence of the specific types of proteins. So formation of protein mainly opens the doors, or it is the landmark in the process of origin of life. So it is the most important event. From the amino acid there is the formation of the proteins. From the glycerin there is the formation of fats. Glycerin is a simple substance and fat is a complex substance, so there is the presence of macromolecule, there is the presence of macromolecule, simple and complex. So from the fatty acids there is the formation of the lipids. When the fatty acids comes in a particular manner, they gather together, there is a formation of the lipids. From the simple sugars there is a formation of the polysaccharides. We know that monosaccharide, then disaccharide, then polysaccharide. Monosaccharides are the simple sugar, then di and then polysaccharides. As well as the nucleotides. We know that when the nitrogen base pair combines with the pentose sugar, then there is a formation of the nucleotides. So in the formation of nucleotides, there is also requirement of the simple sugar. So the nucleotides are the complex substances and the polysaccharides are also the complex substances. And then the purine and the pyrimidines. Purine and pyrimidines are the simple substances. And by this purine and pyrimidine, there is the formation of the nucleic acids. This is the next event in the opening and hydrogen theory, that is the formation of the complex organic compounds or the macromolecules. And in this event, the most important thing is the formation of the proteins, which is a landmark in the process of origin of life. Remember it in the exams. The question may be asked, which is the landmark in the origin of life. So we have to remember the protein, because protein is the basic need of our body. And when these complex substances are formed by the assembly or by the gathering of these complex substances, there is a formation of life. Okay, in this event of the formation of complex organic compounds or the macromolecules, now again most important event is the formation of the nucleic acids. The formation of nucleic acid from phosphoric acid, then sugar, then purine and pyrimidine was at another important event. We know that DNA and RNA is considered as genetic material. The cells can undergo mitosis and meiosis due to the inherent property of this DNA to duplicate. So this is again Yet another important event in the process of origin of life, that is the formation of the nucleic acid. It is presumed that two types of combination occurs in the beginning. That is purine plus sugar, then phosphate, and pyrimidine plus sugar plus phosphate, which are called nucleotides. So there is the formation of the nucleotides. From nucleosides there is the formation of the nucleotide. That means the complexion get increased, complexity get increased here. As a large number of such nucleotides linked together in a different combination and thus result in the formation of a very complex nucleic acids. And we know that nucleic acids are of two types, that is the DNA and RNA. In few organisms, the DNA works as a genetic material, and in few organisms, the RNA works as a genetic material, which are considered as a complex molecule. Then the DNA and RNA, mainly the DNA acquire the self-replicating ability, which is the fundamental property of the living organism. So, it is concluded that the life begets life. It is proposed by the Louis Pasteur also. Life comes from the pre-existing life. Why? Due to the presence of the DNA, due to the presence of the genetic material DNA, which having the self-ability to duplicate. So we got our answer of the Louis Pasteur. But the abiogenetic origin of life, or the process of abiogenesis, or the theory of spontaneous generation. What is the difference in between the theory of Aristotle, spontaneous generation, and the theory of chemical evolution? In both theories, the life is originated from the non-living things. But this theory explains that the life comes from the chemical molecules. And Aristotle says that life comes from non-living things spontaneously. So Aristotle's theory gets well, and this theory comes in front of us. Okay. The second most important event in the formation of the complex organic compound, that is the formation of protobiomes or the pre-cells. Now, required all substances are present there in that hot dilute soup. There is the presence of the complex substances, there is the presence of protein, there is the presence of genetic material, there is the presence of lipids, there is the presence of fats, everything which is required for the formation of cell. We know the basic structure of cell. We know that in a cell there is the presence of the plasma membrane, which is a phospholipid in nature. In the cell there is the presence of the cytoplasm, there is the presence of the nucleoplasm, together we call it as a protoplasm. In the cytoplasm there is the presence of various cell organelles. There is the presence of nucleus. In the nucleus there is the presence of the genetic material. But such type of highly evolved, highly complex cell is not formed primitively, but these chemical assembles together, and by their assembly there is the formation of a cell-like structure, exactly not cell. So that is considered as the protobiomes or the pre-cell. The oceanic macromolecules of the prebiotic soup, the word, remember the word prebiotic, before the formation of life. So that soup is called as a prebiotic soup. Especially those of protein aggregate and develop plate charge. When the protein molecules, which are complex in nature, which are present in that prebiotic soup, that means in that oceanic water, these protein molecules comes together and they develop a negative charge on their surface. They form colloidal mass of insoluble droplets, which finally aggregate to form a colloidal system, minute water droplet collected on their surface. Now, by the assembly, by the aggregation of that protein molecules, there is the formation of a colloidal system on which there is the presence of the negative charge, and the water molecules are also arranged around them. Sidney Fox used the term that is the microsphere or proteinoids for such water-bounded colloidal droplets. Sidney Fox is also one of the thinkers. And she thinks that this proteinoids. But Oparin called such a large colloidal mass as the coacervates. He used another terminology. He considered that this mass should be considered as the coacervates. Oparin suggested that they might have originated from the primitive earth substances from which the first cell life might have comes into the existence. He called the protobionts or the eubionts. Now, according to the Oparin, from the coacervates, there is the formation of the protobionts or there is the formation of the eubionts. Nowadays, around us, there is the presence of many viruses. Virus is considered as on the threshold of living and non-living. Virus basically non-living. When the virus is present outside of the body. But when the virus enters inside the body, he uses his genetic material to duplicate. We are the host for the viruses. When the virus enters inside our body, then the virus is living. He duplicates. But when we see the structure of any viral cell, in the virus there is the presence of the outer protein covering, and then there is the presence of the centrally genetic material. That may be the DNA or the RNA. Tobacco mosaic virus is the basic example for that. HIV virus is also one of the basic examples for that. In these viruses, the cell-like structures are not present. But in these viruses, there is the presence of genetic material, that is the macromolecular assembly. So primitively, the protobionts also shows the macromolecular assembly. Okay. And this macromolecular assembly shows the characters of cells, so they are considered as the protobionts. Okay. So the last step in this formation of the complex organic compounds or the macromolecules, formation of the first cell. How the first cell is formed. The nucleic acid in the pre-cell had the capacity to multiply, but gradually started directing a series of chemical reactions like the protein synthesis. So, in that protocell or in that pre-cell that means a structure before the exact cell. That is called as the pre-cell. Now the pre-cell having the capacity to multiply. How? Because in that pre-cell there is the presence of the genetic material, that is the DNA. And due to the presence of this DNA, this cell can multiply. Okay, and the DNA also start directing various physiological reactions like the synthesis of protein. We know that protein synthesis is the most important event in our life. Gene to express, synthesize the proteins. The characters which are present in us, they are developed by the synthesis of protein. Now in that pre-cell, there is the presence of the DNA which start the multiplication of the cell, so the number of cell increases, as well as this DNA directing the cell for the various physiological reactions like the protein synthesis. This was the significant step in the transformation of pre-cell into a cell. So firstly there is the formation of the protobionts. From the protobionts there is the formation of pre-cell. From the pre-cell there is the formation of a complete cell. This chemical evolution leads